Hey everyone and welcome to AI Competitions. I am Gopi and I am thrilled to have you here today. In this video, I will be sharing my experience, insights and tips to help you to become Kaggle Expert. What is Kaggle? Kaggle is an incredible platform that been game changer of data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts worldwide. It's not just a website, it's an energetic community of data science practitioners, learners and innovators. Kaggle is where data science and machine learning dreams comes to life. Now we'll see how Kaggle website looks like. Here you can see the Kaggle website. On top you can see the competitions, data sets, models, code, discussion, courses. On the right side you can see sign in, register. If you already have an account, just click into sign in. If you are new to Kaggle, just click on register. You can directly register with your Google account. Once you log into the Kaggle, you can see similar interface. In left side, you can see competitions tab. If you go to competitions tab, you can see all ongoing competitions in Kaggle like speech recognition, NLP competitions, computer vision competitions, and tabular data competitions. And also here you can also see knowledge based competitions like Titanic, house price predictions. You can practice your data science skills applying on those competitions. If you go to the data sets tab, you can see here all publicly available data sets in Kaggle. Here you can see the airline ticket price in India dataset, bike futures and reviews available in India. Here you can see Indian actor face recognition dataset. Here loan default prediction analytics Olympia 2023 datasets. Here you can see the Tesla stock dataset, credit card approval datasets. Here you can pick the right dataset and apply your data science skills here to showcase to others. Now if you go to the models, here you can see all the publicly available models. Here llama 2, code llama, all image related models. Here you can see all audio related models. Here you can see all question and answering related bot models. Next you will go to the code tab. Here you can see all the notebooks published by others. Someone created loan default prediction on dataset and published here. He got 5 votes. Here you can see someone created exploration to model selection. Here he got 9 votes and he also got some medal. Someone applied k means clustering and published. He got the 9 votes. He got some medal here. Here you can see someone created default prediction EDA and multiple models. Here you got five votes. Okay, next if you go to the discussions, here you can see all type of discussions. General discussion, getting started. If you have any questions in Kaggle, you can ask in getting started discussions. You can ask any type of questions here related to ongoing competitions. You have some doubts in on datasets ongoing competitions, so you can directly post create discussions here. If you go to the learn tab, here you can find courses provided by Kaggle. Here you can find the introduction to programming, Python, pandas, data visualization, introduction to SQL, advanced SQL, computer vision, time series, data cleaning, intro to AI ethics, reinforcement learning. The beauty of Kaggle is like they are also providing the courses to getting started with data science. So here they are also providing guide to Kaggle competition guide, computer vision transfer learning guide, TensorFlow, how to use TensorFlow, how to use natural language processing guide. All those guidelines they are providing. Once you got brief understanding about Kaggle website, now we'll go to Kaggle profile. In right side, click on the right side profile, your profile. It will take to your Kaggle profile. Here you can see the Kaggle profile. Here I am competition expert. I got 7 silver medals in competition, 4 bronze medals in competition. So I got the Kaggle expert badge here. Here you can see I'm still contributor in Kaggle datasets. I'm not publishing much datasets in Kaggle. So if you see the notebooks, I'm Kaggle notebook master. I published some notebooks in Kaggle. So I got 10 silver medals, 3 gold medals, and 17 bronze medals. So I got the Kaggle Notebook Master. Here you can see the discussion expert. I published some discussions. I got 2 gold medals, 4 silver medals, and 65 bronze medals. So I got the discussion expert. If you go to the individual tabs, you can see what are the competition you are participated in past. If you go to the data sets, you can see what are the data sets you are published. If you go to the code tab, you can see what are the data sets you published. If you I am sorting with the most votes. Here you can see my all my published notebooks and upwards. I got upwards for some notebooks I got gold medals, some notebooks I got silver medals, and some notebooks I got bronze medals. Okay, if you go to the discussions, you can see all the discussions you are posted and who are like how many upvotes you get, what's the medal on for that upvote. Here you can see the followers. Now we'll see the Kaggle progression system. Click here. So you will see the Kaggle progression system. Here you can see the categories of expert. Kaggle designed around 4 categories of data science expert. One is competitions, notebooks, datasets, and discussions. For each category of expert, they have performance tiers. First one is novice, contributor, expert, master, and grandmaster. Here you can see the example of how Kaggle profile looks like. Novice tier, you have to first register to the community, so you get the novice tier. If you want to get the contributor tier, you have to first run one notebook or script, make one competition submission, make one comment, give one upvote. Next we'll see the expert tier. To get the expert tier, for the competition expert you have to get 2 bronze medals. For notebook expert you have to get 5 bronze medals. For discussion expert you have to get 50 bronze medals. Similar to the master. To become master, here you can see medals needed. Here you can see how the medals is assigned to the each category. If you are in top 40, you will get the bronze medal. If you are in top 20, you get the silver medal. If you are in top 10, you get the gold medal. If team size changing, the medals calculation also changing. To get the dataset medals, here you can see if you get 5 words, you can get bronze medal. For 20 words, you get silver medal. For 50 words, you get gold medal. For notebook medals, if you see the notebook medals, for 5 words you will get bronze medal, 20 words you will get silver medal, 50 words you will get gold medal. For discussion medals, for 1 word you will get bronze medal, for 50 words you will get silver medal, and 10 words you will get gold medal. Here you can see the Kaggle ranking and points. Now you have the brief overview of what is Kaggle and how it looks like, right? Now we'll see the mastering in Kaggle competitions. First you have to choose the right competition to participate. Based on your data science skills and your experience and your understanding of the problem statement, you have to choose the right competition. Okay, once you choose the right competition, understand the problem statement thoroughly. Go to the problem statement, read what is the problem it's solving, and understand the data. So once you understand the problem statement and understand the data, now you know what type of data they provided to solve this problem, right? So you have to dive deep into the exploratory data analysis based on your problem understanding and data they provided. You have to understand how the provided data is related to the target and try to understand what are the features more important while predicting the target. The type of understanding is required when you are doing exploratory data analysis. Do some plots and understand how the data looks like. Once you did the exploratory data analysis, you may found some difficulties in data. So some inconsistency in data. So based on what you explored and what you observe in data, try to overcome those problems based on the data processing step. So for example, you have some null values in that particular column, you have some outliers in that particular column, there are some other things that are not related to this data set. So you have to You have to clean the data to prepare for the training data. You have the pre-processed data, clean data to the train the model. Setting up the right cross validation strategy is the more important step to know whether your model is improving, whether your model is performing well on your test data. So we have to know those things. So you have to first to set up the right cross validation strategy. Once you set up your cross validation strategy, select the most suitable machine learning or deep learning model to solve that problem. Okay, once you have, based on the problem statement, if it is image data, you have to use deep learning CNN models. If it is tabular data, you have to use some tree based models, advanced tree based models, XGBoost, LGBM, like that. So you have to choose machine learning or deep learning models to the train your model. First you have to build some baseline model based on the selected machine learning model. Once you have baseline model, you have to submit to the competition, then iteratively fine tune their hyperparameters to improve your model based on your cross validation. Next step, you have to increase the complexity of the model. For example, in image competition, you train the RaceNet 50, but RaceNet 100 will perform much better than the RaceNet 50. Based on that, you have to complicate your model. Right, in next step you have to complicate your model and check the cross validation, is that improving or not. Then do the hyperparameter tuning on top of it. So once you have the different types of and different kind of models, then you ensemble those models and stack those models and submit to the competition. Ensemble will give the stability of the model. It will improve your performance in leaderboard. It will generalize to the public leaderboard. Like that, you have to ensemble based on the cross validation strategy. Okay, emphasize the value of learning from the past competition solutions. The beauty of Kaggle is like everyone, after end of the competition, everyone share their solutions and solution code. Literally, you can use previous competition solutions and their code. You can train new models on top of the current competition. You will be at the right path in that. So you are using cutting edge machine learning models to the train your model. Right, that is the main point of learning from the past competitions. Next, we'll see sharing knowledge in Kaggle. Becoming a Kaggle expert is not just winning a competition. Sharing knowledge, it's a key pillar of expertise. You have some knowledge about data science, right? So start by creating Kaggle notebooks to document your work. Once you document your work, publish your notebooks so others can see your notebooks and learn from your notebooks, right? So others will acknowledge your work and they will give some upwards to your work. Then you got some medals and became expert in Kaggle notebooks. Those are like notebooks where you showcased your code, insights and findings. Then you got some appreciation from the others, right? Next, you have to participate in discussions on forums to help others. Or you have some doubts based on that method, so we will directly ask in discussion session. They will try to reply to your question. Engaging in discussions, ask questions and share your knowledge in Kaggle forms will help you to get the more medals. Another thing is collaborating with others. Acknowledge others work in Kaggle. They automatically acknowledge your work in Kaggle also. Okay, they will check your notebooks and if they like your work, they will upvote your notebook, so automatically you will get more medals. Suppose you created some notebook based on some topic, share with your friends, share in LinkedIn. They will look into your work. Oh, he did some good work here, so we have to appreciate clicking the upvote for this notebook. You have to share your knowledge inside the Kaggle environment and outside the Kaggle environment. So definitely you will benefit from that, right? Next, we'll see the tips for success. Consistency in participation. You have to showcase your consistency while participating in competitions, creating a new notebooks. Show collaboration with other Kagglers. Improve your collaboration with other Kagglers. They will acknowledge your work once you publish your notebooks. Collaborating with other Kagglers are very important, right? continuous learning and improvement. So you have to continuously learn from the previous competition and improve your skills and apply those learnings into the next competitions. Staying updated with new competitions. Whenever the new competitions launch, you have to directly go to the problem statement and understand that problem statement, then do some EDA on top of publish in the notebook session. So people will see your work and they acknowledge your work. So staying updated with new competition is very important. Coming to my journey to the Kaggle Expert, I started Kaggling when I was in BTech third year. So in that time, I know some basics of machine learning. I learned from Coursera courses, from Andrew NG courses. So I know the basic machine learning models, how it's work. Then I started with base model solution from the public notebooks. To improve my base model, I read the discussions, what others are using, competition, what models working for others. Those discussions I will read in that discussion form, and then go to the past competition solution, what others applied in past competition, what type of models they use, what type of hyperparameter tuning they use, what type of future engineering they created. From the past solutions, I will try to know what type of models working for this particular competitions. Okay, then future engineering, then I work on the domain knowledge and create some future engineering based on domain knowledge. So in my first competition, they provided the app events data. From the app events data, I created some future engineering to improve my model. So next, I set up the right cross validation strategy to the evaluate my model whether it is improving or not. If not improving, trying different types of models, try to improve that baseline model, trying to beat public baseline models shared in notebooks. Then I did the hyperparameter tuning to improve the models and trying different models to ensemble at the end. So I will got the strong baseline, strong ensemble model at the end. So ensemble will give you the generalized model. Okay, not overfitting, not underfitting. So you have some generalized model. After you have some generalized model, you have to select right submission for the private leaderboard. Selecting the right submission for the private leaderboard is very important in Kaggle. Once you have the strong ensemble models, based on your cross validation strategy, you have to select the best private leaderboard model. That private leaderboard will decide your final rankings. We worked about choosing the right competition, understanding the problem statement, EDA, model selection, ensembling, and more. But remember, Kaggle is not just about competition, it's a growing community where knowledge sharing, collaboration, and continuous learning are the key to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.